Welcome back. Well, the SGX Nifty is indicating that we'll have a gap down and then we'll take it from there. The SGX Nifty is down about 200 points now. The Hang Seng market is down 500 points. This is a global sort of selling wave that we are seeing, and we are part of that. Ashwani, Sudarshan and Mitessh with us now. Good morning. Ashwani, what's the view? If we have a 200-point gap down, is there any merit in selling even there or is there a different trade?
Well, good morning, Anuj, and you would recall yesterday afternoon I had mentioned that metals and oil falling is not spelling good omen, and today at the open we are going to break down below this 9100, 9400 type of zone, and with these sort of gaps often trends change. So while you may have some intraday 40-50 point pullback, but my sense is that this is the restart of a retest or maybe even breaking of the lows. The issue is not equities, etc. Issue is that this coronavirus does not now seem to be a 15 May type of issue. It seems it will stretch quite a bit, and the more it stretches, the more collateral damage is likely. Lockdowns are getting extended. They are not getting over in any part of the world. Now if immigration is also being stopped, so we are in a sense now trying to reverse globalization also. So this mess is getting deeper, and that is the reason after a 18-20% rally from the bottom, this becomes a decent level to sell into, and possibly for the next several days, not just today.
Okay, fair point. Sudarshan, good morning. If I recollect right, your view has been to buy puts and keep those as your stop losses. You can correct me if I'm wrong, but for those puts, do you now just stay? How do you approach the down cycle now?
Yes, you are right, Anuj. I have been asking traders to buy puts for the 30th April expiry, not this one, because finally my sense was that we are going through a bear market rally. I've explained, and your channel keeps on explaining how previous bear market rallies have worked out, and that's exactly my view. They're sharp and vicious, but this ends suddenly. Now, the only way to trade this is to buy put options and accept that the value of that put could be your stop loss, but stay with it. Look at a lower level for the Nifty in the next few days. That's a positional trade. But what about today? A 200-point gap down still justifies buying put options if you don't have it. If you have it, that's fine, because we are still above 9,000. A decline will take us much lower. When it will happen, I cannot say. But be on the long side, short side of the market as a positional trader. As an intraday trader, you have to look for a rally and go short there.
Okay, look for a rally and go short there. There's a massive fall that you're seeing across most Asian markets this morning as well. Mitessh Thakkar is also with us. Mitessh, hi, good morning. Your thoughts on how to approach the markets now? Do you think that a fresh short position can be taken even today?
Hi. My belief is that the index has kind of rejected 9300. We kind of did go above that twice, but never had a closing above that. So 9300, which is what I've been highlighting, becomes an important upside pivot. And today, I think we could get a breakdown on the hourly chart with the 200-point gap down opening. I think we might go down and retest 8850, even 87. 8950, even 8820 kind of levels, and if that breaks, then I think we are looking at a much deeper decline. So for the time being, we'll trade with some negative bias, looking at 8820 as the first level to watch out on the downside.
Got that. Okay. Well, Ashwani, any stocks?
See, basically healthcare continues to outperform. So that way, Apollo Hospital is a buy with a stop of 1400. Target of 1510. Sun Pharma is a buy with a stop of 465, target of 490. RBL Bank is a sell with a stop of 124, target of 112. And metals will have another bad day. So Hindalco is a sell with a stop of 120, target of 108. And JSW Steel is a sell with a stop of 172, target of 160.
Okay, Mitessh, good morning. What's on your list?
Morning, Anuj. I have two buys and two sells. On the sell side, I have Coal India, which is a sell with a stop at 147 for targets of 138, and Grasim is a sell with a stop at 531 for targets of 500. While on the buy side, Adani Power, I think, has had some kind of a movement yesterday, so can be bought with a stop below 33.5 for targets of 37, and EID Perry, that's a buy with a stop at 144 for targets of around 164.
Okay, and Sudarshan, what about you? What would your buy and sell calls look like today?
Well, Sonia, generally speaking, except for a few exceptions, most mid caps are now available for short selling. I mean, you could sell anything, almost anything, except for the exceptions. So PVR is a short sell. M&M Finance is a short sell. Don't look at the current prices. Think of what they will be after 15 days or a month, and they will be lower, the strong chances. So I have two short sells, PVR and M&M Finance, and I'm explaining that you could look at many other options. Torrent Pharma is a buy, and some these pharma companies are doing something which we don't understand, but they're certainly being liked by the market. So Torrent Pharma is a buy, and unusually, because of the gap down, ACC can be considered to be a buying opportunity, at least intraday.
Okay, got that. Sudarshan, we have to take a break. We're going to come back with questions to all of you, and in a bit we will have the pre-opening rates as well.
Brought to you by Amul, the taste of India.